The United States Army has successfully tested the SkyRaider drone as an interceptor capable of neutralizing enemy unmanned aerial vehicles. This test, conducted at Fort Rucker in Alabama under Project Shank, involved equipping the drone with a Claymore anti-personnel mine. During testing, the SkyRaider approached a target drone and detonated the Claymore mine, which releases around 700 projectiles in a 60-degree arc. This effectively destroyed the target, while the SkyRaider experienced only a brief loss of stability and communication, recovering within seconds. Such reusability would reduce costs and enhance operational efficiency in the field. The demonstration marked the first air-to-air kill achieved by an armed FPV drone in US military trials. Drawing from tactics observed in ongoing conflicts such as those in Ukraine, this innovation exemplifies the evolving role of drones in countering aerial threats. The test involves collaboration between the 173rd Airborne Brigade and Army Combat Capabilities Development Command. The Claymore, originally designed in the 1950s as a ground-based explosive, has been repurposed here for aerial engagements, demonstrating how legacy munitions can be adapted to new technologies. This approach addresses the challenges posed by cheap, small, agile drones that are increasingly prevalent in asymmetric warfare. The SkyRaider, developed by Teledyne FLIR, features an open architecture that allows for flexible payload integration, making it adaptable for various missions. The SkyRaider's payload capacity of up to 7.7 pounds, or 3.5 kilograms, allows for experimentation with various munitions and sensors. The drone has a range of up to 5 miles or 8 kilometers, and a flight time of up to 40 minutes according to the manufacturer. Equipped with multiple NVIDIA TX2 processors, the drone's versatility is enhanced by its ability to operate for extended periods without GPS and incorporate artificial intelligence for object detection and potentially target acquisition. The implications of the testing conducted at Fort Rucker extend to troop protection and battlefield strategy. By providing dismounted soldiers with cost-effective, portable counter-drone capabilities, the US military aims to mitigate risks from enemy surveillance and attack drones.